In this video, you'll learn everything you need to know about grid trading. I will not waste a second of your time. We'll get right into it. So you'll learn how to get up to 1,572x percent on your money. This is a 15x. Strategies like Doge would get you 10x when you run them for over a year. So this is a lot better than what you would get in terms of yield farming, staking, and the risk from everything that happened with Luna seems to be not that much worse, right? Because you're getting 10x, not 10%, with the same amount of risk, because you don't really have any reserve insurance in most decentralized exchanges. So the way you would set it up is the first thing you need to know is use the link in the description down below to sign up for Binance. This is the first thing you need to know. If you don't want to go through that and you just want to copy some other person's trading strategy and claim 6% of bonuses, you can copy trade people on Fairdesk. I have a link for that in the description down below. These people are getting 80%, some of them in 7 days. Most of them are doing grid trading, as you can see. 80% win rate on 19 trades. Here it is. A bunch of people are doing those. But if you don't want to do that, after you sign up on Binance, the next thing you want to do is go on at the top menus right here, click on trade, click on strategy trading, just like so. Grab a cup of tea. Deploy Binance automation tools to trade crypto like a pro. You basically have a number of options. There are different trading. One of the strategy is TWAP, which is very interesting. It basically, if you are a whale and you are trying to get into some projects and get in some entries, you don't want to move the price too much. So you want the price to be split up. You might want to use the TWAP strategy. But in this video, we'll talk about these strategy pools. So you have either spot grid trading or futures grid trading. Chances are, if you're in Germany or other countries, you might not be able to trade futures. So you want to look at spot grid. On that, there's some really good ideas on how everything should be set up. And again, it's automatic, as you can see. In 210 days, which is pretty much 9 to 10 months, 9-ish months, this person got an 8x on his money with a popularity of 8k. Most people are trading GMT BUSD. Plus, BUSD has lower fees. Plus, some pairs on spot trading have 0 fees, like Bitcoin, which means it might be a very smart idea to check it out. Something else you have is Ethereum, CHZ, BNB Ethereum, Ethereum BUSD, Doge, XRP, LTC, and so on. So you want to click on BNB right here, click on create. There's some risk involved. You definitely want to read that. By the way, the video is no financial advice because you can lose money grid trading as well. When you do that, you should get an option just like so. You want to transfer some money in your balance. And basically how grids work, and grids work really well in sideways markets. So what you want the price to do, this is the crypto index. You want markets like this from the 9th of November, just like after the dump, to the basically 30th of December. Because if you long here, right, you buy here, you could sell here, here, right? You can buy here, here, and still make profit here. If you short all the way up, oh, you'll be making profit. If you long all the way up, you'll be making profit all of this. So you would have a 100% win rate in this ratio. The issue is that if you start shorting here, right, you still make profit. But if you start longing here, you would have been right here, because there's some support on the daily, and chances are there was going to be a grid there. You're gonna get into some trouble, because from here to here you basically have a 20% unrealized profit loss, right? 19%, as you can see right here, and from top to bottom it's probably closer to 30%. So grid trading is not risk-free. You need to be very careful. This is why I will not encourage you to use any leverage. As you can see right here, you have the leverage option. Do not do that. If you have a bias for the market, currently for me today, I'm short a bunch of stuff. So you want to click long or short right here. As you can see, I don't really have any available balance. I literally used all my balance into a few shorts. I like to keep my leverage or 2 or 3x. It depends on a lot of situations. And that's all you gotta do. You click on the grids. Here's the price range, geometric or arithmetic. It does not matter that much. I believe you can backtest most of it. Arithmetic is 0.4 to 1.6%, the average of which would be 0.8%. So I do believe both can work. By the way, BNB just got an alert that is trending downwards. You select the quantity and you do it. That's all you gotta do. That goes the same way for spot trading. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll go and answer every single comment in the comment section below. If you appreciate tutorials just like this for trading, crypto trading, and stock trading in general, click the subscribe button. I'm not here to sell you anything, just here to help you out. See you next one. Bye.